you've been reading the Bible too much.
Just so what? Maybe the Bible don't read as lively as a scratch sheet, but it's at least twice as accurate. Yeah. Well, I tried. See you around, man.
Oh, listen, Scott. About that Havana business, I regret I temporarily cannot have the 1,000 to pay you.
It's all right. You don't have to pay me. You won.
But I thought you took Miss Sarah to Havana.
You felt wrong.
All right, Julie, get it up. By now I have the 1,000 to play you, but this time with my dice.
Nothing doing. With those dice, he can't make a pass to save his soul.
What did you say?
I said with those dice, he can't make a pass to save his soul.
Well, maybe I can make a pass to save his, and yours, and yours, and his. All right, I'm going to roll the dice. I will bet each of you $1,000 against your souls. 1,000 cash against the marker for your souls. If I win, you all show up at the mission tonight. Is it okay?
Yeah. Let me get this straight. If you lose, we each get $1,000. And if you win, we all gotta go to the Mission Dallas Cabaret.
If I win, you all show up at the Save a Soul mission, one meeting.
Okay, baby?
I need to.
You two, Nathan, $1,000 against your souls.
Me, I don't even know if I got one.
You got one.
How do you spell soul?
S-O-L. All right, put down your markers. Yeah. Hey, give me the dice. Come on, let's go. Give me the room.
I want to roll already. Quit stalling.
Yeah, what's the matter, Sky? You turning chicken?
You see me roll for 100 seals. But I got a little more than dough riding on this one. They call you Lady Luck, but there is room for doubt. At times you have a very unladylike way of running out. You're on this date with me. The pickings have been lush, and yet before this evening is over, you might give me the brush. You might forget your manners. You might refuse to stay. And so the best that I can do is pray. Must be a lady tonight. Must be a lady tonight. But if you've ever been a lady to begin with, must be a lady tonight. We'll often let a gentleman see how nice a day you can be. I know the way you treat other guys you live with. Must be a lady. A lady doesn't leave for escort. It isn't fair. It isn't nice. A lady doesn't wander all over the room and blow on some other guy's dice. So let's keep the party polite. Never get out of my sight. Stick with me, baby. I'm elevated with luck. Be a lady. Luck, be a lady. Luck, be a lady tonight.
Luck be a lady tonight. Luck be a lady tonight. Luck if you've never been a lady to begin with. Luck be a lady tonight.
Rock and let a gentleman.
Luck let a gentleman see.
And
How nice a day you can be.
I know
Luck be a lady. Luck be a lady with me.
a lady wouldn't flirt with strangers. She had a heart, she had a soul. A lady wouldn't play a little snake eyes with me. And I put my light on this gold. So let's keep the party
So let's keep the party